Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and thank you very much guys for the support. Okay, and today I will be showing you very simple easy step how to make these granny squares. Okay, and if you're new to my channel and if you want to, please don't forget to press that subscribe button and notification bell so you will get notified every time I will upload a new video. And for those who subscribe, thank you very much guys for supporting me, and I will do my best to make something different. So with this one, this is a triangle easy granny square. Okay, so you can see like the triangle shape in there. Okay, so let's get started. Okay guys, so for this tutorial I will be using 3.5mm hook and my cotton yarn. Okay, to get started, okay, we are going to make magic ring. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3, and we're going to put, okay, double crochet into the magic ring. Okay, so the chain 3 count as double crochet, so 1 2 3, and then after that we're going to chain 2, and we're going to make a 3 double crochet. Okay, so that's one set. Okay, so after that chain 2 and another set of 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. Okay, so after that chain 2 again, and then 3 more double crochet. Okay, so we have our corners. I'll just pull this. Okay, as you can see, okay, so we have 1 2 3. Okay, so this is our 4th corner to complete that square. Okay, so chain 2 and just slip stitch into the 3rd chain. Okay, so 1 2 and then the 3rd. Okay, so from here, as you can see, we have our square. That is our foundation. Okay, so from here chain 3. Okay, so we are going to yarn over and then add, okay, make a double crochet into the next. Okay, so we have 1 2 3 here, so we are going to put 3 on top of that. Okay, so then we are into the square. Okay, so we are going to put 2 double crochet, chain 2 and 2 more double crochet in the same stitch. Then we're going to make 3 double crochet on top of each double crochet. So that's 1, and then the 2nd and the 3rd. And we are on the corner again. Okay, so 2 double crochet chain 2, 2 double crochet. And as you know, here is we are going to put 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in previous row. Okay, and we are back into the corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. And then double crochet on top of double crochet. And then we are finished into our row. Okay, so just 1 corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. Then we are going to slip stitch 1, 1, 2, 3, and the top of the 3rd chain we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so as you can see, we have our small granny square. Okay, so from here, okay, so remember, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 here. So we are going to do the 7, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but I will be starting here, so 2 left here, so 1 here, and the next, okay, I will be putting 1 double crochet, and then do the next double crochet, and do the next double crochet, and the next. Okay, so we are into our corner, so every corner you will be working with 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same space, and we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 double crochet. Okay, so 1 double crochet on top of double crochet in our previous row, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, and then we are into our corner. So our corner, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in the same stitch, 1, 2, then 7 again. Okay, so 7 double crochet until to the next corner. So continue doing that, and I'll meet you up when I got here. Okay guys, so I got here to my last corner. Okay, so in our corner, 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 more double crochet in the same space. And then from here, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so we are going to continue. Okay, we have 2 left here. Okay, we are going to put 2 double crochet there, to complete our row. And then 1 to the third chain. Okay, we are going to slip stitch. So as you can see, that is our granny squares. And then from here, chain 3. Okay, so that is our chain 3, count as double crochet. In the next chain, we'll do our double crochet, and the next double crochet, the next double crochet. So you will be counting how many double crochet you have in the previous row, and you will be doing that. You will be making a double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and into the corner. Okay, it's the same. So 2 double crochet. Okay, so in the same corner, 1, 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2. Okay, so just make sure that when you finish, okay, you will be starting in this double crochet on top of that. 1, and then you will be continuing this until you get to the last or the next corner, and you will be doing this same. Okay, so just make 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and in the 2 chain space in the corner, make 2 double crochet, chain 2, and 2 double crochet. So I will be showing you once, and after that you have to continue until you get your size that you wanted. Okay, so we are here in the corner, 2 double crochet, 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same stitch. 1, 2, and then start from here. On top of that is double crochet. Okay, you're continuing this all around. Okay, so I will meet you guys when I got here. Okay guys, so I got to my corner, and doing the our corner, okay, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Okay, and then we are just going to continue to finish this row. Okay, just putting 1 double crochet on top of our double crochet in the previous row, and just making sure that, okay, well, we don't put too much. So we have 4 there, so 1, 2, 3, and we're going to slip stitch. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so this is our perfect granny square. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that's 6 rows, and then the last one is I did this chain 1, skip 1, double crochet. Okay, so you make that, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 2 3 4. So I will make 2 more rows, okay, off the camera, and then I will get back to you when I'm on this row. Okay guys, so this is how you make your granny square, okay? And I have done 1 2 3 4 5 6 row, okay? You can make it bigger or you can make it smaller, okay? That's it guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will show you some more of granny squares, how to make a granny squares and the styles and stuff. Okay, for this tutorial, this is just a very simple triangle granny squares. Okay, thank you very much guys, thank you for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Press that subscribe button and notification bell if you want to, and if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, and you can share this video as well to help support my channel. Okay, thank you very much guys, love you all, have a great day, bye.